Hello everyone! Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. So, we are,
Good
sa lahat
morning,
ng nanonood,
everybody.
watching worldwide, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. This is Rosalie, a mom of one, originally from Philippines and currently living and working here at Padova, Italy for more than 20 years na po. Narinig po ninyo yan, tama. 20 years na po ako dito sa Italia na nagtatrabaho. At syempre, proud digital business owner on my free time. So, and of course, ako po ay excited ngayong gabi kasi po ako po ang host nyo tonight. At syempre po, hindi po ako nag-iisa. Kasama ko po ang mga empowered women tonight, si Fe, si Cherry, at si Joy. So, you know what? Yung ating global ating community ay global. 4 years na po tayo. 4 years na po ang business na ito or na we have helped thousands and thousands of many families, many peoples na nag-join or business owner na gumagawa ng business na ito for our free time lamang po. Marami na rin pong mga nagre-retiro. Marami na rin po ang talagang nakabili ng mga properties, iba-ibang properties sa iba-ibang lugar. At talaga pong ito po ay mayroon po tayong mga patunay at kami po isa sa patunay na talagang ang business na ito ay tunay na tunay. Kami po ay mga totoong tao. Ayan o, gumagalaw nga kami. Totoong tao po kami. Ako po ay taga Padova, Italy. Meron po tayong mga taga UK, US, at saan-saan. May mga Canada din po. Lahat po ng bansa ay meron pong ang mga business owners na kumbaga gumagawa o ginagawa ang business na ito on our free time. Pero syempre po, dahil po yung iba, mga retirado na, ay ginagawa po nila talagang full-time, as in full-time. You heard it right, ginagawa po ng karamihan sa amin ang business na ito. Full-time na po. Yun. So, hindi po ako nag-iisa ngayon at ang aking pong co-host, si Cherry.
Hi,
Sis!
hello. I'm Sherry. I'm from Ontario, Canada. I'm a nurse, full-time nurse. I'm doing a side hustle. This one, my plan B, and I'm working for plan A. So, and yes, like many, I once believed the one way to earn was to trade time for money, right? And our topic for tonight or for this afternoon, wherever you are, this we are global, is stop trading time for money. Build income that works even when you don't. Right? So I once believed the only way to earn was to trade time for money. But when overtime becomes auto default, when you barely see your family, when your paycheck is gone before the month ends, you know how expensive we have now, something needs to change. Do you believe that it is mandatory to have plan B right now? And that's why we're here to share real stories from real women who said yes, building something online, something that works even while life happens. So let's hear from Sister Fair, our business partner from South Carolina.
Everyone, this is Faye, live from South Carolina, originally from the Philippines, and I am a wife, a healthcare worker, part-time digital business owner, former OFW, and also a breadwinner. So yes, good afternoon, good morning, viewers. We all trade time for money, but we also can, build income that we don't have even we can earn even if we don't have to work. I know there's a lot can resonate for me here because I'm a breadwinner and I know the weight on the shoulder for all breadwinners, the stress and the struggles. I used to believe that working hard was the only way to earn money to have a better future. And I really do believe that. And I'm grateful also because, you know, I was blessed to where I am today. Pero dumating sa punto na talagang na burn out ako sa kakatrabaho. I work, it seems like I just work to live, not live to work. So I was feeling stuck. Yung ano lang, work, pay bills, send money home. So like I'm in the same cycle, most of the time and not moving ahead. Don't even have a savings for retirement. And mind you, I'm already in my 50s. I'm not getting any younger. So there was a time I asked myself that there's gonna be a better way to earn extra income without adding another day job. So uh, I look around and one day I stumbled into this ad from a mom who shared her journey about this digital business. And I was so curious because she was sharing how this digital business it helps her, to have more time freedom for her family, especially to be present to her kids. So I got curious. I jumped in. I took a leap, and I discovered that this digital business is not just only for extra income. It also gives us, a chance to build something or give us hope, to build something that can grow with us. So yes, it's it's really, it helps me because not only on the business side, but it also helped me grow on my personal side. Of course, uh, what you call that? Success. We all know that success is not an overnight. We need to work consistently towards that to para maabot natin yung ano natin, yung pinapangarap natin. Kailangan din natin pagtrabahuan 'yan. At saka ano, hindi ka dito nag-iisa, may ano ka, may support system ka, may step by step training, may mentorship at saka the community that supports. So, you're not doing it alone. Ang kailangan lang dito is maging consistent ka sa na pagtrabahuin mo para it pays off. Kagaya ng nakikita natin sa mga nauuna, they are already enjoying their time freedom that this business gives them. So, if we want to continue to work towards it, we can be one of them in the future. All right, that's all for me. Back to you, host.
All right. Thank you for that input. And yes, the same here. I'm a nurse and we sacrifice time, our energy, and sometimes ourselves. We give up ourselves when you give so much, but your income still depends on how many hours you physically work. We physically work. If you're a nurse, you really work hard. Sometimes you are on your feet long hours, and that's really a problem. So for me, I wanted also freedom, especially we are not younger anymore. So we want more freedom and to have to prepare for our retirement, and also I want to spend time with my loved ones. I don't have kids, but I have my husband to share my time as well. So when I saw this 5 years ago, this digital business, I grabbed the chance. I didn't wait because I see the opportunity. I see um, the benefits of having an online business. You don't be present there. You don't need to be present. Even while you are at work, it's still running, or you are even sleeping. And how this business work. We have automation. that still runs in the background. Imagine, one commission for 2020. This is a promo this time. So that could pay even for our holidays, our debts, and go straight to our investment, especially when you are futuristic. Like, think about what if I cannot do this anymore? So we will hear from Joy an interesting story, why he started this digital business. Joy?
Thank you, Sister Sherry. Thank you so much for that. So, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Joy Val, and I am also running this digital business. So, as a mom, as a wife, and also working, and also a student, nursing student. So, I realized one thing that is not enough, no? Working, not enough expenses, never stop bills, So that's why I started this Plan B. So I saw this digital business online, and I joined because I know that this is the one I've been looking for. So ang daming bayarin, I had enough, burnout from work. Also, a mom, I want to spend my quality time with my family, my kids. So ang hirap pagsabay-sabayin, di ba? So that's why this digital business is the one I joined. So this platform is the biggest platform, biggest business online that you could ever join. So that's why this business is the stable, no selling to friends, no calling people, just learn, apply, and grow. So the best part of this digital business, I can work anywhere, I can work anytime, after work or before work. So that's why this is the one I think that it's gonna be work for me, for my family also. So this business you can do at work, anywhere, literally anywhere. So kahit saan ka pumunta, you have your digital business, you can bring your phone, your internet. So this is I've been wanting to myself. So let's grow and apply and learn to this digital business that I've been praying for. So sabi ko sa Panginoon, sana there's one thing, and I think God hear me, and this is the God provide me that right now I'm in with the beautiful people around me. So masaya. I'm so grateful that I found this digital business. So back to you, host. Sister Rosalie, what about your experience? Can you tell us?
Yeah, magandang ating pag-uusap ngayon. Alam mo, I just wanted more time,
Okay, back to you,
more than
sis.
survival. Same journey, kagaya rin ninyo, kagaya rin ng iba nating mga kasama, kagaya ng iba nating mga business owners. Ah, hardworking, full-time, pero laging kulang, gising, trabaho. Kumbaga, yung routine na paulit-ulit. Alam mo yun, pero deep inside me talagang, ang gusto ko lang talaga yung mas maraming
Yeah.
oras sa pamilya, makagawa ng maraming memory, yung more security
Yes.
ba? Alam mo yung more security, natanong ko sa sarili ko yan na kung pareho lang yung kinikita ko every month, pero tumataas naman yung mga gastusin. Paano ako aabante? Alam mo
Yeah,
yun?
I know.
Then, when I decided to try this digital business, I told myself, kailangan mo ng something smarter, not something harder. Imagine, nag-continuous or nag-extend yung promotion this month na, ayan, nakikita niyo po sa screen, basahin niyo mabuti.
Yay!
That can pay for a full family holiday,
Yes.
new appliance, whatever it is na gusto ninyo.
Right
So
into
ito
your
po,
pocket.
ito ay totoo. Pero siyempre, it requires learning, consistency, humility and action. Hindi po ito overnight na success. Hindi po ito basta-basta. But, siyempre, kailangan po yung ating isip ay magandang takbo. Kumbaga yung mindset natin. Siyempre, kung isipin nila, oy, po ano nangyari? Yan yung tipong gano'n, di ba? So, kung magda-doubts lang po tayo, ang ating mga nakikinig sa atin, hindi po natin malalaman ang bagay na ito. It's real po. Hindi po ito basta namin ipapakita. Ayan nga po nakasulat, promo extended, November, 1 sale, 1 commission, up to 4,020 in your pocket. You heard it right. So, yun. So, promotion is still ongoing. Meron pa rin tayong 1 week. 1 week to go. At isang yes lang po ang pwedeng magbago ng kwento ng buhay mo. So, if you want to see how everything works, we want to invite you. What's our free webinar? Walang bayad ng webinar, so walang pressure. Just learn, take notes, and see if this is your next step. So, Che, ano masasabi mo?
Yes, that's right. And you heard it right, everyone. Remember, we have a global community. Don't be scared. We are online. We have online training, mentoring, and we are here. We are here to help you. And all we need are people who are coachable and ready to take actions. That's all we need. And Sis Rosalie, anything to add?
Alright, so that's all for tonight. So napakaganda natin stop trading time for money. Build income that works even when you don't. Imagine that, mga kapatid, kaibigan, kamag-anak. Huwag po kayong matakot, huwag po kayong mahiyang magtanong. Pwede po kayong mag-connect, any of us, sino man sa inyong gusto nyo. Pare-pareho lang po kaming ng business na ginagawa. But ikaw po na taga-UK, we have Cherry. Taga-US, we have Fe. O si Joy na Joy?
Canada.
Taga-Canada.
Joy.
Sorry.
So this is global.
This is global opportunity. Kahit po sa bansa, sulok ng bansa meron. But may website po, kung gusto niyo po kung sa akin, ako maging mentor mo, ito pa yung website ko, www.rosalico.com. So, Sis Fe? Oh my goodness.
Yes, if you feel stuck, having the same routine, there's a better way to earn. Smarter, not harder. So yes, and this time is the best time to start because we still have promo. It will last until the end of this month. So we have few days left more to grab the promo. When you start, you will get 4 times of commission. That is 4,020 right from the start. That it moves your business faster and you can build with confidence. So grab that chance, watch our webinar, and sign up with your name and email, whatever website in here that you see. If you would like to connect with me, my website is www.fakeax.net. All right, back to you, Sis Sherry.
Yeah, here we are. We have Joy.
Yes, everyone, watch the free webinar. Everything start with free webinar. So we have free webinar. You can log in to any one of our website and learn and see if this digital business is for you. So yes, sign up and grab the November promo. It's right into your pocket, and we are here, everyone who wanted to join us. So ayan po, back to you. See you. Thank you, Sis Cherry.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching. I have Joy, Fe, and our host Rosalie for today. And remember, we have our live webinar for you to start and see if this business for you. My website is www.sherrylamis.com, and check all our website, whoever you want. You're free, and we are one here. We are helping one another. Start today and grow with us. Thank you and have a good Sunday.
All
All right.
right. Let's
Bye-bye.
go. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you tonight. Thank